Have you ever wondered how Twitter, Google, and Facebook are being developed with such beautiful interfaces? Thanks to programming languages like JavaScript and TypeScript, along with frameworks like Angular, React, Vue, and Svelte, this is made possible. A common factor for these frameworks is NodeJS, which is a JavaScript runtime engine. In a Windows 10 PC, open up a browser and navigate to nodejs.org/en/down. LTS, which stands select the 64-bit MSI version. Once the file is downloaded, open the file and start the installation. It is usually sufficient default values for the installation. Make sure you have admin rights, otherwise installation will fail. Yep, that's it. NodeJS is installed. Now let's see NodeJS in Ubuntu. Open up a browser and type nodejs.org/en/download. Scroll down the page and find the link install Node.js. Then select Ubuntu based Linux distribution. Now select Node.js binary distribution. In this GitHub page, scroll down to install instructions. Here you will find different Node versions and corresponding installation scripts. Let us install the version 17. For this, copy the first line and by right clicking, open up the terminal and paste the line. Now select the second line and execute it in the terminal. Completed. To verify the installation, just type node-v or npm-v. If it is properly installed, you will see a version number. Now that Node.js is installed, you can start building your beautiful applications and websites. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.